I would like to thank every Jamaican who has played his or her part in ensuring that the road network is safer for all. We urge you to join the road safety train now. Let us chart a new course as we seek to ensure that as a nation, we are able to achieve the milestone of having less than 300 road fatalities this year. The high fatality numbers are unacceptable, and I want every Jamaican to begin to understand the road safety message. Driving requires complete focus, so we must ensure that when we are driving, it is not under the influence of alcohol or drugs. We should not be using cell phones. My fellow Jamaicans, road safety begins with you and I. For that reason, every occupant of every motor vehicle must buckle up. Like the seatbelt, the helmet is a very important road safety item. All motorcyclists must ensure that your bike has on headlights and mirrors. These items play a very important role in ensuring your safety. We remind pedestrians to always cross at the designated points. Remember to walk in a single file. Walk facing traffic if no sidewalk is available. Do not play in the road. Do not walk and text. Wear only light or bright clothing at nights. Traffic crashes occur in milliseconds. This therefore means we must do everything to drive in a preventative manner, as traffic accidents create undue pressure on your loved ones and the nation. Remember to slow down. Your destiny is not left up to chance, but is a matter of the choices you make. We all need cash as we operate in the traffic environment. C means choices. A means avoid driving under the influence of alcohol. S stands for slow down and always wear your seatbelts. H stands for helmet. Always wear it. So let us make the right choices as we operate in the traffic environment. Leave early. Drive slower. Live longer. Let us together ensure that road deaths are below 300 this year. Be each other's road safety keeper. Let us do so that Jamaica may, under God, increase in beauty, fellowship, and prosperity.